It's Lloyd here. Today we're making a super simple yet delicious treat. It's a no-bake biscuit dessert that's perfect for a school lunch or a quick snack. First, let's crush our biscuits. Place them in a Ziploc bag and roll over them with a rolling pin, or place them in a food processor and pulse until they resemble fine crumbs. Place into a bowl and mix thoroughly with the melted butter. This dessert freezes well, which makes it so convenient for school lunches. Take 4 small, good quality storage containers and equally divide the crumb mixture into the bottom of each container. Tamp the mixture flat with a small glass or other flat-bottomed utensil. Place it in the refrigerator to cool. Next, in a bowl, combine the yogurt and cream cheese. Beat them together until smooth and creamy. Now add the sugar and vanilla extract to the bowl. Stir until everything is well combined and you have a smooth mixture. Divide the cream cheese yogurt mixture into 4 equal parcels and spread over the cookie crumb base. For the final touch, dollop your favorite jam or any other topping you like over the dessert. And there you have it, a quick and easy no-bake dessert that's perfect for any occasion. It's best to chill it for a bit before serving to allow the flavors to meld together.